When a company as big as Olight contacted me and asked me if I would do a review of their aggressive yet somehow sleek and elegant looking S1r Baton flashlight, packed with more features than a Kardashian and enough lumens to burn the retina straight off the eyes of Zeus, I thought long and hard. No, I didn't. I said, of course I will. Now send me that little puppy out.
Hi guys, thank you for joining us again. This time out, me and Junior have got the pleasure of giving you guys a quick review of this amazing little light that we've been sent from Olight. So a massive thank you to Olight for sending us this out. Hopefully we'll do it justice, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this bit of kit just as much as me and Junior do. Junior's got his Christmas onesie on in the Christmas spirit. You got a bit excited with that, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
So we're going to dive straight into this review now. Stick with us to the end, and we'll catch up later on.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Okay, so first up is the size of this little thing. And no review would be complete without giving you guys the specs. However, we're going to do things a little different. To give you guys a size comparison, Junior, drop your pants. And straight away we can see when the Olight torch is next to a party sausage, there isn't really much difference in size, so it is a small torch. Leave this torch anywhere on the floor for a period of time and you come back, the chances are you're going to have lost this torch. The pros are, it's lightweight, packable, and it's not going to weigh you down. And it also packs a hell of a punch for such a small torch.
The strobe function on this torch is good for a few reasons. To get this into a strobe function, all you have to do is click the top button 3 times. Christmas lights.
Okay, so we've been through the strobe function, but what we all really want to know is, can this torch actually do torchly things like...
Okay, so the very first function that's up is moonlight mode, and in moonlight mode you're looking at 5 lumens. Running continuously in moonlight mode, this will last for 15 days. That's incredible. 15 days continuously with 5 lumens of light. Okay, so the next mode now is low mode, and in low mode it's kicking out 12 lumens of light. Continuously under 12 lumens this thing can run for 33 hours, again, which is super impressive. Okay, so this next mode that we're looking at is called Turbo S mode, and in Turbo S mode this torch will kick out 900 lumens. With 900 lumens running continuously, this torch will run for 55 minutes, which again, to me, is super amazing. There's not many times that I would need to use 900 lumens, however there is certain situations that you might find yourself in where this could be a godsend.
So we've discovered it's waterproof. I wonder how waterproof it is though.
I come and go like a rah. They don't want the to be going on. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The roof is in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a rah. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo.
Mega impressed. Threw it deep into the water. Fully functional. Yeah, perfect. 10 out of 10.
Totally blown away by the waterproof capabilities of this torch. But another cool feature as well, which I just want to add quickly, is for you guys out there that wear caps a lot, like I do myself. And now you've got your hands free to be able to cut wood, do other things around the campsite as well. Very, very small detail, that little clip, but invaluable.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love, and I'd stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do.
I can honestly say it's the most sickest little device I've ever come across. The features on it are absolutely brilliant, simple to use, waterproof.
I can never imagine a scenario that this wouldn't be able to handle.
It's a phenomenal little piece of kit. And I mean, what's the retail on this?
I think it's about £50, $49.99 UK. I'm not sure what that works out to be in US dollars, but it would make a great Christmas present. Me and Junior aren't making any commission from this video at all. Obviously, with being camping related, bushcraft related, we decided to do it, and we are really impressed. And if we wasn't impressed, we would honestly say that we're not impressed. But as it is, we are. Definitely check this out if you are into your torches, your knives, things like that. This is going to be a great piece of kit to have along with you.
It's invaluable. Torch, nighttime, you need it. It's bright as hell. You can have it on a low light. I mean, it's so versatile and it's so easy to use to get to each setting that you actually want.
Yeah.
Ideal.
It is, it's perfect. So yeah, that's the end of the review, guys. I hope you found some of this funny. Hope you found some of this informative. And again, like we said, this is probably going to be like our last video now before Christmas. We've both got families that we need to be around, and I'm sure a lot of you are doing the same as well with your family. And if you can, like we always say, help somebody out, be there for people that need you, and spread the word about 401 files. If you want to support this channel, you enjoy what we do, we have got a Patreon now as well. The link is below, so go to that Patreon channel and help support the group, help us support us to be able to do what it is that we love to do. So from me and Junior to you guys out there, have a great Christmas, look after yourselves, take it easy, and
have a happy new year too.
That as well. Yeah, have a happy new year, and we'll probably see you guys again in 2019. Peace.
You'll too.
Toodle poo.
Toodaloo.
Poo. Chiddle diddle poo. We're just getting ridiculous now, aren't we?
Yeah, I know. It's going too far.
We should maybe.
Oh shit! I didn't get a tree hug.
You're not getting out.
I'm getting out.
You're not getting out.
I am. I've got a hug, a tree.
No, you can't get out. Doug, he's getting out. He's got out. This is happening.
I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The roof is in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still dropping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the bobo.
Ah!